I've arrived, I found it. This little farm shop. I'm going to check it out. I haven't been before, but it's Oakley Farm. And they've got vending machines that you can buy fresh produce from. Not too sure exactly everything they sell. I believe they sell milk and eggs and possibly veggies and meat too. But I'll investigate further and just get the lowdown of what this for, because I love fresh veggies. I love farm shops and all that jazz. So yeah, let's check it out and see what is happening down this farm. So I'm at this farm, Oakley Farm Milk, fresh whole milk from grass-fed cows. So the animals are on this farm. And what you do is, you can come here and they do honey as well. Oh my God, they've got Biscoff brownie. So you can get like local honey, which is great. I've had that honey before. Fresh farm eggs. And then come to these vending machines and get fresh milk from the vending machine. Oh, and you can get like coffee, or I don't know if they do tea as well, but it looks like grab a cup of fresh coffee with milk straight from the farm. Oh, those are the options. So they've got all these coffee, chocolate milk, hot foamed milk, mocha, flat white, and all the coffee. So yeah, I'm going to come here and get some more milk in a minute, and probably some eggs or chocolate milk. Lovely. So the farmer, you can get the fresh milk straight from the cow from here, and she's just got me fresh milk, and it was £1 for 1 pint or something like that. So this is they've got sheep on there, they've got cows round the back, and pigs and chickens. So it's not like a particular farm that you like look around. It's more like for just getting the fresh milk and the other produce. This is awesome, and what a beautiful day it is. So this isn't very far from the other farm that I go to when I go strawberry picking and pumpkin picking, and they do have a full-on farm shop in there, and I believe they sell Oakley milk in that one, and that's Essington Farm. But they have a full-on farm shop. They sell a lot of produce, and they also have a butcher's. Oh my God, this is awesome. Look at the cows. I think, are they donkeys? Donkeys. Look, they've got Christmas trees, I think. Look at the cows. They're lovely. Hello. Oh, hello. I love your milk, okay. So this one's looking to say hello. So yeah, let's go back and get some chocolate milk and eggs. Looks like they've got some donkeys, and then they've got the sheep. And I'm going to be trying the fresh milk straight from the cow, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to get some milk from the vending machine as well in this bottle. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my god, look at that.
That looks fine.
What? Is that it? Oh. But they gave me a lid and an empty bottle.
Let me send a picture to Sunny.
Wait, so do you get the Okay, so yeah, this is how it works. You get one of the bottles from this machine, then you get milk from the other machine, and you can wash the bottle and bring it back and use it as many times as you want, which is pretty cool. So yeah, now I'm gonna get eggs. So yeah, here we go. What do you do? Push to start. Push. Alright, so I'm going to put my bottle, get some more milk and give that a whirl, and then also get some chocolate milk to try. Wow, look at that. Okay, so that's the fresh milk just come out of that. And then it like kind of cleans it. Oh my god, that's insane. That's so cool. And now I'm gonna get chocolate milk. Oh my god, look, I've got chocolate milk. That looks so cool. Okay, let's get it. So yeah, that's the Oakley's farm milk. And that's the Oakley's chocolate milk, and you can get other flavours, which is awesome. Cheers. Yum. How cute. Hey, donkey. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh my goodness, you're so soft. Yes, my darling. You're so soft. Hello, baby.